5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What's up, divas? Welcome back to my channel. So I am back with another... Allure video for you. And I just got my box all ripped up. Okay, my son thought it was his and he, I guess, ripped into it, not looking at this part of it. Okay, anyhow, I figured let me just go ahead and get into this quickly before any other mishaps happen. Okay, so for the thumbnail, no. Okay, whatever. I did tape an Allure for last month, but I ended up deleting the whole video. So you didn't get a chance to see what I got last month, but last month I was extremely pleased and I just didn't bother to let go of my Allure. I already said I wasn't gonna let go of Allure because I do like Allure. So let's see what they have this month. So before I get started, let me introduce myself to anybody who's new. My name is Simply Carrie. Welcome to my channel. So if you like seeing the latest and the greatest from Allure, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Let's go ahead and get started. Since it was already open, there was no point in me even trying to open anything. This is what it looks like on the inside. We've got our information to refer to. Wait, what is this? Like a pro. Protect yourself like a pro. Okay, I will look at that later. What is this? Shop like a beauty something, okay, whatever. All right, where is the... Okay, whoa, wait a minute. There's usually a pamphlet in here that lets me know what these things are. Otherwise, I have no idea. I don't know how much they cost. Did they cheat me out? He dropped it. Dropped it out when he opened it. Let me, okay, I'm back. Okay, so here it is. He dropped it out, but I got it. And now we can find out what we have. All right, let me sit back because I'm like totally in here like some kind of dog or something. All right, so let's get started. I'm just gonna pull the first thing that I see out. And come on, do I really need my glasses again? I think I do. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. All right, so liquid gold. Okay, so alpha, liquid gold with glycolic acid. All right, so let's see what this is. Concentrated skincare. Let me open it up. All right, this actually looks like a full size. This is 100 milliliters right here that I'm holding. It says it's spiked with 5% glycolic acid to dissolve dead skin cells. And it's meant to be used every other day at night on clean skin. You don't have to layer anything over it. Okay, it has a brightening ingredient called licorice root extract, which should be good for dark spots. Okay, and the price on this is $54. You can buy it at alphah.com. And you can use the promo code Allure20 at checkout to receive 20% off your order. And it's valid September 1st through November 25th. Sorry about that. So I thought that this was a cleanser, but I guess it's is it a moisturizer? Okay, I can't open. Oh, what is this got? Double protection or something? Now I use L'Oreal. Why is it not coming out? I use L'Oreal for my, that has glycolic acid, and I try not to use it Well, I don't know. I think I've been using it almost every day. I don't want to do it every day because it is kind of harsh on the skin. Oh, wait, let me smell this. It smells like some kind of alcohol, like a drinking alcohol. Okay, I would like to put a little on my skin, but oh, it's really lightweight. Am I really supposed to just put this on and leave it? I'd rather put it on at night. Okay, so it says apply liquid gold onto cleansed skin each alternate evening. Moisten cotton pad with solution and apply to face, neck, and décolletage. When the skin is touch dry, apply your preferred Alpha H moisturizer or serum. For an intense treatment, do not follow with a moisturizer or a serum. That sounds intense, but I'm willing to try it. Okay, so this next product that we have from Allure is called Allure Radically Rejuvenating Dual Face Bakuchiol Serum. Okay, so it's supposed to keep the skin clear and glowing. It says here that it contains bakuchiol, a retinol alternative for smoothing skin, softening lines, and minimizing breakouts with less potential for irritation. The bottle contains a dual face formula, blue essence with soothing antioxidants like turmeric, and yellow serum, a moisturizing blend with jojoba oil. Okay, now the price on this is $19.99. I don't know why I feel like this could this possibly be a full size? Let me open it up. Okay, you can get this at allure.com. And can we get it open and see what it looks like? This really looks like the full size to me. It doesn't really say, but this looks like, well, is it? Oh, you're supposed to shake it up. Shake it up, shake it up. Ew, why does this look like olive oil? It looks like a dressing almost. Put this dressing on your face. It looks, shake until serum turns green. Apply small amount to face. Okay, well, I'm gonna apply a small amount to this, to the back of my hand. Ooh. No smell. It doesn't really feel, well, it has a slight greasiness to it, but it's not super greasy. It feels like something that'll be absorbed into the skin pretty good. But it looks like something I am so willing to try. So let's see, you can enter Allure 20 at checkout to receive 20% off your order, and it's valid September 1st, 2021 through October 31st, 2021. Okay, so far so good. I should have put those back in the box. All right. So we also have this, which is the Sunday Riley Lighthearted Broad Spectrum SPF 30 sunscreen. Actually, you know what? I could use a sunscreen because I did buy another cleanser, and this cleanser supposedly will probably irritate your skin if you're in the sun. So you do need a sunscreen. And I'm not really used to using a sunscreen outside of my moisturizer. I tend to not want to because I'm always thinking of sunscreens as being chalky white. And I'm wondering if this is gonna be the same thing. It's $35. And you can buy it at sundayriley.com. Let me take this off. Smells, has a lightweight smell. I've been putting so much on my arms. I'm gonna put a little up here. It comes out in sort of a pinkish kind of color. Let's see, I'm just curious to see, is it going? Yeah, see, no, I don't like that. I don't like that chalky kind of look. I guess you have to keep rubbing. Well, it kind of goes away. It does go away, so I don't know. I just don't feel like I'm gonna like this though. It's not so much it has nothing to do with the company. It's just sunscreen. I don't know that I really care for it. The price on this is $35. You can get it at sundayriley.com, and you can enter Allure 15 at checkout to receive 15% off from September 27th to October 15th. Next thing. Hot product. This is Oriza Beauty is what it says here. Okay, so it's Velvet Ribbon 7 Opus. So it's the Oriza Beauty Opus Velvet Ribbon Lipstick. So it's all wrapped up here. Come on, how do I get this out?
Having a hard time getting this open. Is there anything I can open this with? Come on, get open. Okay, I gotta go find something to open this with.
Oh, okay. Oh, this is the way we open it from this end. Okay, so we got a lipstick. Whoa. Did I break this? Oh. Okay, I guess, well, I can still salvage it. This is a matte deep berry lipstick that I don't know whether I ruined because I dropped it or whether it came out like that. But I already have lipstick on. Let me wipe my lipstick off. And I already have a red lipstick on, but I'm all for red. Okay. Oh my God, I got it all up here. I do like the deep berry color. I can never get enough red. And different shades of red at that. Okay, I really do like this color. This is definitely something I just wish I didn't mess it up, or did I mess it up? I don't know, but I do like this color. Okay, my next product is Belief. Okay, so this is the Belief, the True Cream Moisturizing Balm. It's supposed to be a lightweight formula. It's supposed to be deeply hydrating with soothing oat kernel extract, moisturizing herbs, and panthenol. So the price on this is $38, and you can buy this at Sephora.com. And it looks like it's a 50 milliliter. Is this a 50 milliliter? No. This is a 10 milliliter right here. So this is a sample size. And I have heard of Belief. Oh, no scent. You know, that's one of the things that I do like about the products that Allure sends is that it doesn't have a scent in most of the stuff. And it's really good. I mean, I've been trying a lot of their products and I have really been pleased with it. Okay. Ooh. Oh. All right. Let's see. Mineral bath salt. Mineral bath salt, relaxing lavender essential oils, vegan. All right, so we go ahead and add bath salt to bath water. Enjoy bath for 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, well, this is from who, where, what? Okay, so this looks like it's just a sample pack. It looks like it comes in a bottle, but the price would be $20, and you can find it at ulta.com. And you can also enter, I don't know what this is, Neep. Is that the name of this? Neep 20. At checkout to receive 20% off any Neep products on ulta.com, and it's valid September 1st through September 30th. Okay, now the thing with this is I prefer showers to baths. So I probably, oh, but you know what? I could probably dip it in my foot bath. Okay, if I don't give it away. But yeah, I'm so with it. Yeah. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I got quite a bit of stuff here. I got my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got 6 products. Oh my God. I actually got 6 products, okay, for $25. And some of these things, the price on them are crazy, okay? These are all things that I probably would not go to the store and pick up, but the nice thing is, you know, they're shipped to your house. I mean, I love it. So once again, Allure has come through for me. Thank you so much, Allure. I really do appreciate it. I am having a good time with these products. I don't get a chance to use everything, but I think I need to come back with another review and talk about some of the things that I have been using. I'm getting out of here, guys. Thank you so much for watching my channel. If you haven't already subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe. And thank you so much for watching my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.